What if I told you that you could save over $500 a year on gas without buying a hybrid or electric car? What if the secret wasn't in your engine bay, but in your driving habits? I'm about to reveal 7 game-changing habits that even professional race car drivers use to squeeze every drop of performance out of their fuel tank. And habit number 6? It's so counterintuitive that most car enthusiasts do the exact opposite. Hey car lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear at the gas station, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the science of fuel efficiency, and I promise you this isn't your typical drive slower advice. These are habits that will make you a smarter, more skilled driver while keeping more cash in your pocket. Habit 1. The spark plug secret. The spark plug secret that most drivers completely ignore until it's too late. Your spark plugs are the tiny powerhouses that ignite every single combustion event in your engine. When they're worn, you're literally burning money. Here's what happens with worn plugs. Weak, inconsistent sparks lead to incomplete combustion. That means unburned fuel going out your exhaust pipe instead of pushing your pistons down. It's like paying for premium gasoline and getting regular performance. Pro installation tip: gap your plugs to specification even if they come pre-gapped. Use a proper gap tool, not a screwdriver. The difference between 0.04 cents and 0.044 cent might seem tiny, but it affects combustion efficiency, fuel economy, and engine smoothness. Habit 2. The radar mindset. Habit number 2 is what I call driving with radar vision. This isn't about speeding, it's about anticipation. The best drivers don't just watch the car in front of them, they're scanning traffic patterns 3, 4, even 5 cars ahead. When you see brake lights starting to cascade down the line, you can ease off the throttle early instead of braking hard later. This technique, called eco-coasting, maintains your momentum and keeps your engine running efficiently. Race car drivers use this same principle to maintain cornering speed. Habit 3. The tire whisperer. I know this sounds boring, but stick with me because this is where car enthusiasts have a huge advantage. Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, and they're also one of the biggest factors in fuel consumption. Underinflated tires don't just hurt performance, they create rolling resistance that forces your engine to work harder. Here's the enthusiast edge. Check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, preferably in the morning before driving. The recommended pressure on your door jamb? That's the minimum. Many performance-oriented drivers run 2 to 3 psi higher for better efficiency and handling response. Habit 4. The cruise control controversy. Number 4 is going to be controversial in the car community. Use cruise control more than you think you should. Now, I can hear the purists groaning already, but hear me out. Your right foot, no matter how skilled, isn't as consistent as cruise control. On flat highway stretches, cruise control maintains a steady speed that's more fuel efficient than the tiny speed variations you make unconsciously. But here's the enthusiast caveat. Cruise control is terrible on hills. When you hit an incline, cruise control will downshift and pour on the gas to maintain speed. A skilled driver would let the car lose a few miles per hour going uphill, then pick up that speed naturally on the downhill. So the rule is, cruise control on flat ground, manual control on varying terrain. It's about choosing the right tool for the job, just like selecting the right gear for different driving conditions. Habit 5. The aerodynamic awareness. Become aerodynamically aware. At low speeds, rolling down your windows and turning off the AC saves fuel. But here's where physics gets interesting. At highway speeds, the math completely flips. Above about 50 miles an hour, the aerodynamic drag from open windows actually creates more resistance than running your air conditioning. Your car was designed in a wind tunnel to slip through the air efficiently, and open windows destroy that carefully crafted airflow. It's the same reason race cars have all those aerodynamic aids. Every bit of drag matters when you're trying to go fast efficiently. Habit 6. The counterintuitive speed secret. Here's habit 6, the one I promised would surprise you. Most car enthusiasts think the speed limit is just a suggestion, but from a fuel efficiency standpoint, there's a sweet spot that might shock you. Every car has an optimal speed for fuel efficiency, And for most modern vehicles, it's between 45 to 55 miles per hour. Drive faster than that, and fuel consumption increases exponentially. At 70 miles per hour, you're using about 15% more fuel than at 55 miles per hour. At 80 miles per hour, you're burning 25% more gas. But here's the counterintuitive part. Sometimes driving slightly faster on certain routes can actually save fuel overall. If you can maintain a steady 60 miles per hour on a highway instead of dealing with stop-and-go traffic at 35 miles per hour, you'll often come out ahead. Habit 7. The maintenance mindset. Finally, Habit 7. Think like a crew chief. Regular maintenance isn't just about reliability, it's about peak performance and efficiency. A dirty air filter is like trying to breathe through a straw. Your engine has to work harder to pull in the air it needs for combustion. A clean air filter can improve fuel economy by up to 10% and give you better throttle response too. Fresh oil reduces internal friction, allowing your engine to run more efficiently. The right grade matters too. Using 5W30 instead of 10W30 in appropriate conditions can improve fuel economy by 1 to 2%. And don't forget about your fuel system. A dirty fuel injector spray pattern can hurt both performance and efficiency. Consider using a quality fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles. A well-maintained car isn't just more reliable, it's more efficient, more powerful, and more fun to drive. So there you have it. 7 habits that'll turn you into a fuel efficiency ninja without sacrificing the joy of driving. The beautiful thing about these techniques is they don't just save you money. They make you a better, more skilled, more aware driver. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these habits are you going to implement first? Drop a comment below and let me know your results. If this video helped you see fuel efficiency in a new light, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that combines automotive passion with practical knowledge.